More than 1,000 days after being cut for budgetary reasons, the Moorpark College baseball team retook the field Tuesday. The pregame ceremony included 3 former Raider coaches and 4 current Moorpark administrators. Basketball player Paige Peel sung the field's first national anthem since April 2012. The Raiders took the lead in the first inning and rolled behind freshman starter Wyatt Berg's 7 shutout innings.
It was unique. I mean, it was my first start on the college team, and it was a little different, but I worked through it. I was a little nervous.
And then what? That's the end of the ball game. Final score: Moorpark 3, Antelope Valley nothing. Winning pitcher this afternoon is Berg. He's now 1-0. Losing pitcher is Arnold, and he's now 0-1. The save will go to Lovano.
It's just a fantastic day. We were getting the field ready earlier today, and Tommy, our equipment manager, got our team together, and we took a team pitcher, and that's when it really hit me that what this 2-year battle has been about. It's been about those 36 young guys and giving them a chance to play college baseball and continue their collegiate career, earn a degree, and it's just a fantastic day. Great day for Moorpark College Athletics.